Good morning, all. I am Dr. Hadikal Johar. I am currently a fellow in Psychiatric Rehabilitation Services, NIMHANS, Bangalore, India. I am presenting a topic on facilitators and barriers in vocational rehabilitation of persons with mental illness through government jobs. My mentors are Dr. Sujay Ramachandraya, Dr. Aarti Jagannathan, Dr. Harish Angotu, and Dr. Krishna Prasad Mulyala. Coming to the background of the study, the psychiatric rehabilitation services of NIMHANS has been facilitating vocational rehabilitation for persons with disabling mental illness for many years. In 2016, Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act was passed by the Parliament of India. This act has provisions for inclusive employment of persons with mental illness. Some of the provisions include quota-based reservation for people with mental illness, and also it advocates for reasonable accommodation of persons with mental illness at the workplace. So the objective of the study was to understand the facilitators and barriers which are faced by persons with mental illness in pursuing a gainful employment in the government sector. So the methodology used was 4 participants were sampled conveniently, and information was gathered through going through their case records. Additional information was gathered from multiple stakeholders like the patient themselves, family caregivers, and the mental health professionals from various backgrounds who were part of this vocational rehabilitation. So out of the 4 participants, 2 of them were able to gain a government job, and another one was able to retain his government job. The other one was not able to achieve employment. So some of the observed facilitators were legal provisions of the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act itself, professional support and constant hand-holding by the treating team, reasonable accommodation provided at the workplace, family support, availability of rehabilitative measures like social skill training, neuropsychological rehabilitation. Some of the observed barriers were inadequate symptom control, very stringent age criteria for applying for jobs, side effects of medications, cognitive deficits, social skill deficits, poor support from the family, and the lack of perseverance from the patient. So this study concludes that outcome of vocational rehabilitation can be variable depending on the interplay of multiple factors. The rights of persons with disabilities provisions have made inclusive employment a reality for persons with disabling mental illness. Individually tailored strategies and continuous handholding are important factors for the successful vocational rehabilitation of persons with mental illness. This study also highlights the need for a separate cadre of job coaches who can handhold the service seekers all through this process, which is presently being done by other mental health professionals. Thank you.